Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ibrahim and today I'm gonna make baked chicken. My ingredients are chicken legs, tomatoes, onion, potatoes, a half cup of yogurt, a half cup of oil, a cup of water, pepper, thyme, and here salt and also a mixed seasoning. You can use your best season. And now I'm gonna peel the onion and then I'm gonna chop it. I'm adding also onion. The onion made me cry, but now I'm okay. Now I'm gonna chop the potatoes and I'm gonna add them to the chicken leg. Now I'm gonna add the other ingredients. Here I have a half cup of yogurt, a cup of water, a half cup of oil, pepper, thyme, salt and mixed seasoning. I washed my hands and now I'm gonna mix it. Bake is ready at 200 degrees and now I'm gonna bake the chicken legs. I have been waiting for 35 minutes and now chicken legs are baked. Let me show you. You see that this is an easy but delicious recipe. Afiyet olsun.